Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to be learning about Photoshop's Liquify tool. To start, I've got a portrait and we can go ahead and click on Filter and come down to select Liquify. This menu will open and it's got all sorts of settings. We can use our brush to warp whatever we like as if it were made of a liquid. What's probably most clever about Liquify though is that it will automatically detect that this is a face and allow us to change and alter different parts of the face with these settings here. Now sometimes we all have those times when a photo comes out looking a bit off. This can be a great way to make corrections. Or if you are silly like me, maybe you'll enjoy making people look as goofy as possible. I don't know about you, but I'm having Bethesda character creation flashbacks. When you are ready, simply click OK, and there you have it, a face for the radio. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know in the comments what kind of fun you had with this tool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check out our tutorials for more. Thanks.